Hello everybody again from Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. Today we'll continue the second page in our HACCP plan. We have finished the cover page. We can make this also bold and lay out yes, at the middle by this state. So let's go to the second page. Okay, we can also insert here the number of pages, whatever you want, you know the trick. We can manage it quickly. Okay, as I mentioned, document. Now I'm editing in the footer, okay? The field, page, okay, of, no, document number, field, right to the number of pages. So this is number 1 of 2. Okay, close. So at the second page, we will make a table of abbreviations. It means these are the abbreviations in this HACCP plan. Abbreviations, bold, red, side, middle, and abbreviations. Enter. Then you can insert table from 3 by 8 or whatever, and I will show you. This is very useful number of the abbreviation. Can make it a little smaller and put it at the middle. Here you will write the abbreviation. Okay. And here are the definition or the meaning of this abbreviation. Okay, home. Can make this all black and the abbreviation and the alphabet to be in yellow. Okay. Number 1. Oh, sorry. Color to be automatic. Black. Okay. Abbreviation number 1. What HACCP means? Right here, hazard analysis and critical control point. Okay. Number 2, COA means certificate of analysis. Okay. 3, CCP means critical control point. Number 4, OPRP means operational prerequisite program. You can check also the spelling by going on the upper toolbar and choose spelling and grammar, as you can see, and I will check everything. Spelling and grammar check is complete, everything is fine. 5. Don't forget to always to click Control and +S, it means saving. PP are the prerequisite programs. Okay, thank you very much, and we'll continue the next video inshallah. Thank you very much. Goodbye.